iDiscover is your central gateway to access a wide variety of library resources, including books, ebooks, databases, journals, and IR contents. To get full-text access to the library online resources under subscription, please ensure you sign in using your intranet credentials. Creating a MyEBSCO account is optional, but it offers additional features for managing your research preferences. You may sign in using your TAR UMT Google credentials. Let's look at how to perform a basic search. Simply enter your search terms into the search box to find articles, books, journals, and more. For more precise results, you can use the Advanced Search feature. The Advanced Search option is available right next to the search bar. Advanced Search provides multiple fields, allowing you to combine terms using Boolean operators for a more targeted search. You can further refine your search by selecting specific fields, such as searching by author or title. Understanding Boolean operators is key and combines terms, or expands your search to include at least one term and not exclude specific results. If you need more lines for your search queries, simply click on the Add Row button. You can also apply various filters to limit your results, ensuring you find exactly what you need. Date filters allow you to narrow down your results by publication date, from the past year to a custom range. Besides that, you can filter by language to further refine the search results to your preference. You can also filter by author, title, or journal name to further refine the search results to your preference. Beyond basic filters, you can use specialized search options like proximity searches or natural language processing to customize how iDiscover interprets your query. If you are looking for a specific publication, the Publications tab allows you to browse or search for journals by title or subject area. When viewing your results, you will see placards that are relevant to your search. You can easily identify item details such as its status, location, call number, or URL to access the physical and online resources. You can sort the results by relevance or recency, and also the total of results to display on the page via the settings here. Use the filters on the left to refine or narrow down the results. Managing your results is simple. You can save items to your projects or export the citations directly from here. You may also share or download your chosen research materials. Click on AI Insight to view concise summaries, presenting 2 to 5 key points for each document. It allows you to quickly assess relevance, grasp complex ideas, and speed up literature reviews. However, this feature is only available to selected EBSCO-host full-text resources that has more than 200 words. Your MyEBSCO account keeps your saved searches, projects, and custom preferences organized in one place. Use the New Search option in the top navigation menu to quickly clear your current filters and start a fresh research session. The Browse By menu helps you explore library resources by publications or subjects. Access helpful research tools through the top menu, which provides direct links to supplement sources, publication finder, concept map, and user guide via EBSCO Connect. The Links section provides additional gateways to other library portals and service. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you make the most of the TAR UMT library resources.